AI, trading bots, EAs. Is this still a thing? Considering 2023 is a year where AI is booming, I would definitely say so. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a really cool platform that you're able to sit there and actually watch your money grow by using a really cool copy trader tool. If you don't know who I am, I go by Solo E. I am a day trader. I talk about finances, entrepreneurship, and overall trading. So you definitely want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap into it, join our live streams, join our Discord community where we get more in depth with everything that we talk about. And let's go ahead and get straight to the video. There's this really cool platform called Copyright. Let's say considering you don't know anything about copy trading. When I was growing my personal account, I used a copy tool to also copy whatever trade I took from my personal account to my funded account with a prop firm. What happened is every single trade I took from my personal account, I made sure that exact same trade will get copied into my other account. So this is kind of how traders manage over $1 million of funds. If you are a trader where you're managing other accounts, this is pretty much what you will do. But here's the beauty. You don't personally have to take a trade to make the money to get copied to the other trades. You can copy traders like me, copy traders that's successful, traders that's been profitable over the years and genuinely make money under them. And there's this really cool platform that's just specialized in this called Copyright. So I just want to run down the cool features so you guys can understand what this is all about, and then make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I am going to get more in depth and show you guys challenges of this account that I will be putting money into to grow. And it's gonna be real cool because I feel like this is nothing we have to spend any time in. We can just check our account and boom. It's literally like we're giving somebody money that we know is going to grow it and go from there. Minimum deposit is $100. You do need to have $100 in your account in order for you to start. The leverage is 500 to 1. If you guys are unfamiliar with the leverage, like I said, join our Discord. We tap into a little bit more as far as margin trading. Spreads from basically 0.0, which technically really means raw spreads. Micro lots, you can do micro lots. You can also do manual trading if you want to even go above and beyond. And then also they have the social trading as well, free withdrawals, free deposits, and then 24/5 live chat support. Once you sign up, which will be the link in the description, you'll be brought to this page where you can create a demo account and create a live account. I will say create a demo account just to get your feet wet to figure things out. But here's the cool thing about this. So if we go straight to copy trading, you see everything you need to see from each trader. Let's just go and find somebody that has a pretty genuine good win rate, 75.7, right? We can go with that, or 72.8. We can select anybody we want. When we select someone, we can see the overall stats of what they've been doing with this account, right? So we see the win rate is 75.7. We see audio copiers is over 1,000, and this is good information because we know that there's other people that's tapped in this actual copy trader or really just trader. We can definitely feel like, all right, we're going somewhere. As you see, each trader talks about their method of how they're growing this account and what strategy they're using. He's using harmonic patterns and Elliott wave. I personally love Elliott wave. I never actually tapped into harmonic patterns, but I am a full-on Elliott wave trader. I can definitely adapt to this for sure. So me seeing that's a big bonus right there. We go back, we can get into another trader here. Some other traders talk about what they do exactly in details and what they trade. So as you see here, they use multiple different technical analysis, fundamental events, basically news events and so forth. They use larger time frames like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily, which is good for my swing traders. If you guys want to be a swing trader, the pairs that they monitor are your Forex pairs. I see a lot of Forex pairs here, so that's important. And then I see they use strong risk management, which is also important. This information is what you want to find, what works for you based off of what you already do as a trader, and then you just go ahead and hit follow, and then your account will gradually grow. Obviously, the more you put in, the more you can make. It just really depends on how that works. And then the nice thing about this is this platform is keeping it very genuine with us. It's letting us know like this day they lost 90, this day they lost 100, this day they lost 62. Now, I always say when you're dealing with giving other people your money, like as far as just having somebody manage your account, never put your life savings into that, because once again, you don't have control over it, right? You're giving to somebody that is profitable, just like if you were to take a small amount and hand it over to a bank and tell them, hey, you can trade with this. It's the same exact play, but you genuinely really want to just give them an amount that you know that you can genuinely afford. If it's $100, just do $100. If it's $500, do it $500. Whatever it is, do that. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much how this whole process works. Now, once again, subscribe to this channel because I will be doing and creating a live account just to show you guys the challenge, and I don't want y'all to miss out on this. So make sure you tap in. The link is in the description. Other than that, your boy Solo. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.